This is Peter Lau. Today is Tuesday, May 7th. I'm at 6952 East Bacarro Street, Long Beach, California. I'll be entering through the front side cleanout. That is the entrance to the house. That's the front door. This is the front side of the lawn. And the cleanout is located approximately where this hose is. There is the cap for this cleanout. And in a brief moment we will be transitioning to the end of the sewer line, as that provides the clearest video. We're about 45 feet into the main sewer line where it ties in with the city sewer at a depth of 8 feet. I'll be making my way back towards the access point. So this is the city sewer connection, and the easiest way to tell is that the interior side of the pipe is about 8 inches, whereas once you start getting closer to the home, and as I pull back, you'll notice that this pipe in diameter is about 4 inches. And it's very typical to see cities use clay for their sewer line. Given that it has a long estimated service life of about 100 years under the ideal circumstances. However, clay does come with its own issues. Typically, problems you'll see that are very abundant are root intrusion and offsets. So typically there's root intrusion within clay because of those offsets, and what an offset is basically where two sections of pipe join together. And then that joint becomes off-centered, which allows for moisture to come out of the line, and the plants or trees that are growing in close proximity to that line, they want to grow into where the water is coming from. And that's actually what you're seeing here on the screen right now, the left and right hand side of that pipe. There's some debris buildup along with root intrusion. However, this isn't enough to cause any blockage, and there is no blockage at the present time of inspection. So this is a perfect example of what an offset looks like.
So let me go ahead and put him sooner. Yeah, let me go ahead and put him in for sooner so that he knows.
And the distance indicator is noted on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Again, we are working our way back from the middle of the street, so the number is decreasing as I pull back. So with about 23 feet remaining, we are still working our way back from clay piping. And now we're going up from a downward turn. And there is a crack or cracks noted at around the 20-foot mark. The depth is noted at about 4 feet. The approximate location of this, an exterior photo of the approximate location of this will be noted in the report as well. Recommendation is to repair or replace this section of the line. As you can see, we're getting closer, and those are indeed cracks. So we have just transitioned materials from that clay piping to ABS. This indicates that we're getting closer to the home. So typically ABS is seen in newer homes, and it's the preferred plumbing material for newer homes. It has a long estimated service life, and it's relatively inexpensive. That's why it's just the better material for the home. It's resilient against roots, and it also has that long estimated service life similar to clay. So now we have transitioned once again materials from ABS to cast iron. And it's important to note that there's only a small section of cast iron remaining. They probably just left this section here because it was still functional. And once again, we're hitting that ABS material. So with about 1 feet remaining, this concludes the inspection of the main sewer line. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Thank you.